Hello my lovely people, welcome back. Today we are making potato salad with you guys. So she started peeling her potato and her carrot and her cucumber. And the cucumber, she's not peeling it all, she's peeling, half not peeling. That is how she says she wants to peel it, because she have her own recipe that she wants to show us. So then she put her potato and her carrot on the stove and egg to cook for some minutes. Then after that, I asked her that why is she cooking the carrot. She told me that is how she's doing her potato salad. That is her new recipe. So while the potato is boiling, here she's chopping her cabbage and her cucumber and onions and tomato together. And also, now the carrot is done, she took it out and started chopping that one also. As you can see how she's chopping the vegetables, this is how you are going to chop it, or if you have your own style of chopping your vegetables, is okay. And also my silly sister was just eating it all. So here she has finished chopping everything. Now she's mixing everything in a bowl. This is how she's doing it, so that she will be able to do it and then make it look amazing. We have already prepared the large amount of salad we were preparing, and then we put it aside. So this one is the one that we are going to use it to make some shawarma. So this is how they are doing it. Now she add sweet corn in it, and also she's going to be adding some tuna in it, because we are going to use it to make shawarma later. And if you like to see how we wrap the shawarma, subscribe to this channel for more amazing recipe. The one that she make that spring roll, she's the one making it. And now she take out the potato that is already cooked and started cutting that one and adding it to the salad. And also she mashed some potato also and add a little bit of oil and add it in it too. The reason why I didn't bring the video is because I don't want the video to be too long. So that is why I didn't bring that part. So I'm going to upload that one different, so that you will see how she make that part. Don't mind the noise and also the background. People are walking around. The background is because they are here to help us to complete the cooking, because we were cooking for an occasion. So that is why. I've already told you that my sister always do occasion food sometimes. So this occasion food that I got is a contract, and then she decided to do the pastries and also the salad. But I see that she has a very nice recipe for her salad, and then I decided to film it and share it with you guys. So here is the salad. She's mixing everything together. Everything is coming together step by step. And now our egg, she's also coming to cut it and then add it to it. You can also add mayonnaise, but this one, she first of all mix everything. The potato mash, she mashed the potato and add oil. That she used it as mayonnaise. Then later, when the time that we were serving the salad, that is the time that she was adding mayonnaise to it. Yes. And the time that we were wrapping the shawarma, that is the time she was adding mayonnaise to it. But she didn't add mayonnaise to the salad. She just used the mashed potato as mayonnaise, and it is very amazing and very sweet. You can try it at home. It's a very nice, simple recipe. Yes, and adding sweet corn and adding everything. Now she's going to add some tuna to it, because I've already told you that we were going to use it for shawarma. The large amount of potato salad that we just make, that one we add beans in it, because we want to use that one to serve rice and other food. So that is why we add beans, white beans and red beans in it. So I'm going to drop all the name of the beans in the description down below. If you want to know more ingredients we use for this amazing salad, check the description down below. I'm going to drop everything there. So it is a very amazing recipe. Try it at home. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, subscribe to this channel for more recipe. Thank you so much, my lovely, kind people. See you in my next video. Bye bye.